In El Paso County, health officials say they now see an upward trend in cases over the last 2 weeks. KRDO News Channel 13's Alexis Dominguez joins us live in Colorado Springs with the latest on those numbers. Alexis.
Heather, as of this week, El Paso County data shows our incidence rate is at 75, which means if we do not start making some serious changes now, we may be looking at shrinking the amount of people allowed to gather in one place. 7 months into the pandemic, most of us know what we should be doing to protect ourselves and others.
I feel like it's okay if people are out. I just feel like you should social distance as much as you can.
Still,
back in August, I actually had it.
People like Geneva Jensen,
I'm negative now,
have gotten the virus.
It was definitely crazy. I took 2 weeks off. It was really hard to breathe. And it put things into perspective that it is a global pandemic.
Just in the past 2 weeks, more than 530 cases have been added to the county's total, compared to 480 in the 2 weeks before. A 10% increase, which now brings the total to more than 7,200. As of this week, El Paso County data shows the incidence rate, or number of COVID-19 patients per 100,000 people, is at 75. If the incidence rate is over 75 for 2 weeks straight, El Paso County Public Health will need to start conversations with the state health department about the possibility of reducing how many people can gather at one time, including inside restaurants, churches, and other gatherings.
Well, I don't like it like anybody else, but I think that's the only way to get the virus under control.
Even though the precautions we're each taking may be different, every little bit helps, including wearing a mask.
I love my family with all of my heart. My family's the best. And I just want to keep my family safe. And I would put anybody before me.
Now, as you heard, there are some wise words from a 10-year-old. We've reported about spikes in our cases here in the county before. So far, we have managed to put them back down, so it's just proof that it is not too late. Reporting live overlooking Colorado Springs, Alexis Dominguez, KRDO News Channel 13.
Okay, Alexis, thank you. I think all of us here in the studio just said, "Aw," at the same time.
10-year-old.
How sweet.